Hello YouTubers, Buster Gundo here. The current time is 4:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's date, May the 3rd, 2020. And today I'm going to be doing a short unboxing, or should I say unbagging in this case, of the 3 10-foot HDMI cords I bought on eBay. I will provide a link in the description of this video after this is posted. So without further ado, let us pop this bag open and see what's inside, shall we? Oh God. Gotta get my good hand for this. So, as you guys may or may not know, I had a little bit of an HDMI problem a little while back. I had to purchase a new HDMI cord because my longest cord decided to break on me. So, what did I do? I had to scrape up the money and buy new cords. So, I looked on eBay and found the best deal I could. I bought not 1, not 2, but 3 HDMI cords, 10 foot in length, for around $11. So let's pop this bag open. Here we go. 3. Let's see, let's go count. 1. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, there we go. Right. We got 1, 2, and we got 3. 3 cords so far. That's good. Very good. Now we're going to have to pop this bag open. Now, I was skeptical at first, considering the company's name was a bit shady to me. But I figured, what the heck, for $11, let's see what I could get. Now, for those of you who do know me personally, you know that I am a cheapskate. I am very frugal when it comes to buying things. So I had to sit on this decision for at least a good 2 to 3 days. Oh God, it stinks. Like, sheesh. Like, what did they do? Have this in freaking smoking department or what? The bag stinks. Let's just say that. Let's pop it open. Gotta cut it open. And here we go. Now they say this is 10 feet. But I'm going to see if this is really 10 feet. I like the fact that they have protectors on each end. That's actually a good thing. Let's take these off. Ooh, okay. Honestly, I really want to see if these are quote-unquote 10 feet. We'll see. Well, they don't even look 10 feet. Yeah, this does not look like 10 feet to me. But we'll have to see. So in order to test one of them out, I'll plug one end into my laptop. Slide it in there really good. And now, I'm going to head over to my TV. So here's the other end. And this doesn't look like 10 feet to me. I could be entirely mistaken. So give me a second, and I need to bring my laptop a little bit closer. Just a little bit. Okay, so here we go. The other end of the HDMI cord. We are going to plug it into the TV. Good connection. Now, for the test of truth. Let us see whether it worked or not. And this is coming from my laptop directly. For proof of that, as you can see, clearly the bottom of my screen, and it looks like it works. So, I give this a thumbs up. So far, 1 cord down, 2 more to go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this short review. I do not honestly know if that was actually 10 feet or not. I could be wrong on that. But hopefully you enjoyed. What's it gonna do? Signing off for now. Be safe, be smart, be silent. For whatever's done in darkness, it eventually comes to light. Be safe out there.